The AFA war is once again here after domestic low-cost carrier SpiceJet launched a 3-day super sale in which tickets will be available at 50% discount. More couriers have joined the bandwagon. Of course, certain conditions apply, but there is no denying that the offer have stirred up the Indian aviation world. Indigo, GoAir, Air India too have thrown their hats in the ring. According to SpiceJet's offer, the discounted fares will be applicable on tickets purchased between January 21st and 23rd, 2014. The special fares are valid for travel up to April 15th, 2014, and the discount will be applicable for only those flights where the booking is done at least 30 days prior to travel. India's largest passenger carrier by market share, Indigo, also slashed its fares by around 50% for 30-day and 60-day advance purchases on its website. Air India too is offering short-term spring sale of up to 50% discount for domestic air tickets booked between January 22nd and 24th for travel between February 21st and April 15th. These fares would be as low as 1,357 rupees, including taxes, would cover all domestic sectors of the national carrier. Indigo is also offering discount on 3 to 60 days advance purchase windows. Jet Airways is still to act. Among international airlines, Qatar Airways is offering a 30% discount on economy and premier cabin fares in a limited sale offer. Let's take a look at what the offer is. Mumbai-Delhi flight on SpiceJet will cost something about 2,830 rupees, whereas a Bangalore-Delhi will be at around 3,444 rupees. On Air India flight, Mumbai-Delhi flight will cost something around 2,830 rupees. Delhi-Ahmedabad flight at 2,292 rupees and Agartala-Kolkata at 1,385 rupees. The January to March quarter is considered to be lean season for air travel, and airlines typically announce promotional fares during this period. But it is interesting to see that airlines which have been suffering from increasing costs and are in line for another disastrous quarter have resorted to short-term discounts once again. Business Bureau, DD News.